Thanks for stopping by. This is Giuseppe Manzoli, and thanks for stopping by to my channel. I'm about to edit my video now about this polenta recipe. I'm doing this polenta recipe with water, but you can use rice milk, you can use milk and butter. I made this recipe vegan. So I'm using water, but vegan, you can use rice milk or you can use almond milk. The important is that you flavor your mix, okay? Put flavor in the mix. I heard so many times people say polenta is no good. Polenta is good. You need to put garlic, you need to put onions, you need to put herbs, rosemary, thymes. Polenta is good, and you can make wonderful dishes using polenta. In this recipe, the polenta that I make is thick, so is a polenta that is suitable for deep fried. If you want, I will show you another video how to do this. And it's a polenta that when it's cold can be cut in pieces and can be put on a barbecue, or can be pan fried and used as a complementary of a meat dish, as a beef or lamb or chicken or pork or anything. Okay, so keep going watching the video, and more you mix your polenta, okay, more you mix your polenta flour, and more good will be. Do not stop you to mix it at the first 4 or 5 minutes when you see that it's just thick. When it's thick, you just continues to mix. And if you want a more smooth product, you need to add more liquid, okay? You need to find your good recipe for what you want to do, okay? So this recipe is a thick recipe for a thick polenta that you can put on the barbecue. You can put pan fried on the yes, and make it crispy. So enjoy the video and let me know what you think. Ciao, Giuseppe. I'm going to give you this beautiful recipe for vegan polenta. Olive oil. If you have chives and white onion, it's better, but for tonight we have red onion, we have garlic, I've got herbs, I've got beautiful, amazing oregano, amazing, beautiful, bellissimo. And what I've got here, I've got turmeric. Okay, my friend, you start with onion and garlic. In the pot there is already the oil, okay, the amount of oil that you need to make this polenta. I will post the recipe in the link below. And so, now we start with the polenta first. Yeah, when the oil is hot, okay. Polenta. A bit of time, not all at the same time, okay? So get your onion on and your oil on. Then when you do your polenta flour, a bit of time. The first thing you want to do is this job here, okay? And then at this point you can add some pepper as well. You can add your flavor, anything you want. Slowly, very slowly, you add your water. Any liquid you want to add, and then a bit of time. Slowly, a bit of time. Give the time to the polenta flour to absorb the liquid. This is the beauty of the things that we do, you know, everything from scratch, fresh. Give the time to your polenta to absorb the liquid. A bit of time. Your water, a bit of a time, okay? A little bit water. And the secret to have an amazing, beautiful polenta, is to stir it for a long time. So more you cook it and you stir it, so more patience you get in stir the yes, so more you cook and you mix, continues to mix, okay? Continues to mix. More you cook and mix, more is good. And You can stay also in the cooker 20 minutes. So this is not a problem. We need this tray. I show you what. In that tray we are going to put the polenta when it's finished. When it's finished our polenta, we are going to put in the tray. But now you continue to mix. Look how beautiful become, nice and thick. Okay, and it depends what you want to do. If you want a smooth product, you need to add more liquid. But if you want a thick product, so my recipe for today, for tonight, is for a thick polenta. I put the oil, and my paper must to stick in there. So I put more oil, like this. Okay, good. And now, what I'm doing, now I put my polenta inside, okay? So in this way, you can cut it. But if you cook for your family, you can spoon it. You can spoon it right now, okay? But if you want to organize a party, or if you want to get it as a prep food for the next day, so you do this, and then tomorrow, so you take this, then tomorrow you cut it, you throw in the oven, and you get back hot again. Okay, so look at how beautiful. So let's have another taste, because I taste for you. Let's see, vegan polenta. Wow, super tasty. Wow, amazing. Okay, my friend, enjoy your night. I hope you like these little tips. Giuseppe Manzoli for you. Ciao. Okay, my friend, now that you have your polenta in your tray, in your dish, okay, you have put your polenta hot in your dish. This is an hard polenta that you can cut and you can use on the barbecue, you can use in your pan fried, okay. And so now that you have this hot polenta, you let it cool down. When it's cool down, okay, you can store it in fridge for 2 or 3 days. And when it's chilled, when it's hard, okay, you can take off from the tray. So if you have in a tray, you have in a tray like this, okay, you turn the tray and you get your polenta on your table. Then you can cut it. You can cut your polenta and then you can start to use it. Okay, so enjoy your polenta recipe and keep going cooking. Ciao, Giuseppe.